Hello there guys, Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of our 2015 Holden Colorado 7 in an LT 7-seat wagon. Perfect price range vehicle, especially being 7 seats and turbo diesel, and as you'll see from the walk around video, the vehicle presents really well. So just a great price range for a young family, growing family. This would be the perfect car for them. So what I'll do in the video is I'll take you right around the exterior of the vehicle, through the interior, to give you a really good indication of the Colorado 7's quality. Now I do have the wagon running throughout the video, so you can hear the engine run throughout of the vehicle. So we'll start from the driver's door. We'll work our way all around the outside of the car, then I'll take you through the interior as well. So we'll start from the driver's door. Really clean condition. I think the colour is called Summit White from memory in these Colorado 7s, but as you see, ultra clean condition. Does have the side steps fitted as well. Coming to the front guard area, really clean area, no damage whatsoever. And you'll see the previous client has actually added some LTZ alloy wheels to give it a point of difference over and above the LT wheels. So really good looking wagon, but definitely is the LT model with the wheels that have been added. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, does have a chrome nudge bar fitted as well. As you see, bonnet area, really clean condition. And guard area, ultra clean. Up to your bonnet section, as you see, ultra clean condition. Beautiful condition, as you can see. Coming down to the front guard, passenger side, again down to your alloy wheels, the LTZ alloy wheels, really clean condition. Coming back to your guard area, again ultra clean, beautiful condition all the way through. Passenger front door, as you'll see as we work our way around the actual wagon itself, again beautiful condition all the way down to the side steps, phenomenally clean. And then coming to the rear door on that passenger side, again clean condition all the way through. So the best thing about these being the diesel, really good on diesel economy wise with the fuel usage. 7-seat for that growing family, really great value. Come to the rear guard on that passenger side, again ultra clean. Down to your alloy wheel and tyre, again plenty of tread left on the tyres, and the alloy wheels in great condition again. Coming to the rear end of the vehicle, does have reverse sensors and a Towbar. A couple of minor marks around the back section. Again, our touch-up guys will put some touch-up paint on there, but for the age of the car, the kilometres that it's travelled, it is really part and parcel for Asian K. So really good, honest car, but at least you know there's a few minor marks there just with age, which is quite normal. Coming to the tailgate section, again, really clean condition. Again, no damage on the actual tailgate itself. We'll open the back section where the 7 seats are, so you'll see the 7 seats are physically up at the moment. If you want to get it down to a 6-seater or a 5-seater, little handle just here. Again, 1 seat will go down, so you're back to 6 seats. And if you want to do the secondary seat to make it a 5-seat variant, pop that down and you get all that cargo space in the rear if you haven't got the kids or grandkids with you. Or if you're doing a bit of travelling, you still can have that 5-seat cargo area. But the best thing of these being 7-seat, this will normally go to a family, for a growing family of course. Plenty of room for the back seats for the kids as well, so I'll pop those seats back up and we'll shut that tailgate as well. Heading along the driver's side rear end, again really clean all the way through, so as you'll see it's part and parcel to the rest of the vehicle. Really clean condition. That rear quarter section, again no damage whatsoever. Down to your rear tyre on that driver's side, again the alloy wheel has been fitted. And then coming back to your rear door on that driver's side, again really clean condition. Has been cared for very well. And at this price range it probably won't last too long, so if you have been looking for a 7 seats, anything kind of under 20 grand sells ultra quick in a 7-seat variant as well. Door card on that rear door on the driver's side does have a set of rubber floor mats fitted, but as you see, cloth interior, really clean condition. No tears or splits in the cloth interior. Again, over to your passenger side seat, again ultra clean. Back to your door card, and with your seating as well, really clean condition of that rear seats in your centre row. And then I'll fold that seat down just to show you. So you've got a little handle on the top section of your seat here. That seat will then fold up to give the kids access to get through that rear cavity here, and then back into the seats in the rear if the seats are up as 7 seats. But yes, you'll see plenty of leg room, so it's really good for that growing family. Really handy size. You can compare to X-Trails and Mitsubishi Outlanders. They're a bit tight in the rear, where the Colorado 7s are phenomenally roomy in the back section for those kids. So teenagers will fit still, which is handy as well. Coming back to your interior on the driver's side, I'll start with the door card on that driver's side. Again, really clean condition, down to your rubber floor mats. Again, really clean. Back to your interior. Again, no tears or splits in that cloth interior. Ultra clean. And then over to your passenger seat as well. Sorry about the bump there. Ultra clean. And over to your door card on that passenger side. So I'll jump inside to give you the exact haze and show you through interior as well. Oh, can't jump in. Not as fit as it used to be. All right, so current kilometres as we speak, as of today, is 341,495. Steering wheel, you do have your volume controls and your Bluetooth button to your left-hand side. Your cruise control to the right-hand side. You will see the REDARC electric brake unit just yonder down here. So it does have a REDARC electric brake unit. Just your AM, FM radio, standard air conditioning and heating, so nothing too stressful there. A couple of 12-volt plugs either side, and then coming back to your automatic transmission and also your 4x4 dials. We'll turn that radio down a bit because it's quite loud. So really great value for money. 7 seats, turbo diesel, great price range vehicle. Again, it will not last long in this price segment. They sell ultra quick for growing families, so really good price range vehicle for us, and hopefully for you as well with a growing family. Being diesel, Towbar, REDARC electric brake unit with your alloys and nudge bar. So just a great looking wagon as well. So I'll jump outside the wagon. We'll wrap up the video. If you have any questions moving forward in relation to this Colorado 7 or anything else we have in stock here at Your Next Car, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. You need to speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this walk around video, and hopefully we've found the right car for you. Have a great day.